Tao, a portrait and wedding photographer based in Sydney, Australia. Today I'm flying to Melbourne to capture some portfolio images for my friend Ella. Within the next 8 hours, we will be shooting from midday to night. I planned a distinct look at each location. This is a great chance to experiment how V1 performs in different challenges. Shoot 1. It's about 12:30 noon. We see this cool wall. I always enjoy shooting natural light look for this kind of scene. However, the challenge here is the black hat completely shadows her face.
Smile like you have overdosed on coffee.
I used a V1 on camera to remotely control the second V1. Both flash on TTL. I used the dome and reflector to mimic the ambient light in all directions.
Just pretend you're like pro. That's all.
Because V1 light is so soft and smooth, client face is perfectly lit. But the whole thing looks 100% natural.
Wonderful. I think this is really good.
The soft and even light of V1 can help natural light photographers to push their work to the next level effortlessly. As we're walking downtown, we pass by the busiest street at central Melbourne. The challenge here is to shoot as soon as possible, so we don't block the pedestrians.
Can you try to
Great, because with V1, I don't need to sit up. Everything's on TTL, like the previous shot.
Look that way, look that way.
All I did was to walk with Ella and focus on communication and just click in the shadows.
How natural the light is. It's very soft and even, reflecting on your face, and with hypersync, everything's flying there. So
thanks to the soft and even light of V1, it is easier than ever to build the light and airy image with on or off camera flashes. Then we worked on this lovely yellow architecture. We used V1 to mimic sunlight for our first shot.
Chin down, eyes up. 1, 2, 3, go. Eyes up, smile a bit for me, please. Gorgeous.
All of a sudden, the full sunny day turns into a full cloudy day. Typical Melbourne weather. The challenge here is to create a sunny day look image to match up with the previous shot. Because V1 is so light, I handhold the V1 right above the client to mimic sunbeam shine through her hat. The result is unbelievable. I will definitely use this handhold technique for my future fast-paced wedding. After Ella gets changed, we walk down to the dockland area. I noticed these cool leading lines under 2 bridges. The challenge is to shooting fast among the chaos of bicycles and pedestrians. So I use X-Pro remote to adjust V1's power quickly. I remotely set V1 on high-speed sync to freeze the client's action without any motion blur. On the bridge, we saw this amazing sunset. Time is the challenge here, as we literally only have 5 minutes before the sunset, thanks to the fast recycling time of the lithium battery. It only took me 2 minutes to catch a variety of dancing poses. Perfect! We use no diffuser as V1 light itself is so soft already. Only half CTO and grade is used to mimic the sunlight beam. After sunset, we pass by this cool tram station. It's a challenging thing to lead, as the trams are passing by both ways. There is no way we could lead from either side. Because V1 is so light and small, I can hide the V1 inside the umbrella. I ask Ella to hold the umbrella, wait for the tram to pass by, V1 bounce off the interior, and the job is done. Now we're at Flinders Station, the busiest station of Melbourne. The challenge is to freeze the client's action in low light while she's crossing the street. V1's modeling lamp is a game changer. I now see where the light falls before I even click the shutters. And also with the bright modeling lamp, the camera can focus quickly during the fast movement. I was shooting at a wide aperture 1.6 non-stop while Ella was crossing the street. And check out how amazing the result is. I don't know what the Godox engineers did, but they made this V1 light so soft and natural, I couldn't believe I achieved this look with just one single on-camera flash. What a wonderful day! 7 different challenging locations from noon to night within 8 hours. Benefited from V1's soft and even light, I can shoot super fast to achieve different looks. From natural look to fashion look. I will definitely keep a couple of V1 in my camera bag from now on, both as remote control, on-camera flash or off-camera flash, especially for the fast shooting environment.